I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Microsoft Teams and signing in with the account that created the meeting. Once signed in, switch to Calendar View so you see scheduled items. Make sure you're on the correct date range. Click the specific meeting entry once to open its details pane. This exposes editing and cancel options. Do this now so you can act as organizer. If you're not the organizer, the cancel option won't appear, so verify ownership before moving forward. Once the meeting details are open, you have two paths: edit or cancel. Choose edit if you want to reschedule. Use the scheduling assistant to pick a new time. If you need to cancel, click Cancel Meeting. Teams prompts you to enter a message. Explain why and include next steps. Make sure to review attendees and attachments. Removing a meeting deletes its join link. After composing the message, confirm cancel, so Teams sends a notification to all invitees and updates their calendars. After canceling, confirm that attendees received the notification and that the meeting entry has disappeared from your calendar. If someone still sees the event, ask them to refresh Teams, sign out and back in, or restart the app. Cached data can delay updates. If cancellation fails in Teams, open the organizer's Outlook calendar, web or desktop, locate the meeting and cancel it there. Outlook and Teams sync. Finally, follow up with a short message to key participants so nothing is missed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.